Sarah with the C, and today I'm here with product reviews and challenges. Today we are testing out a digital alarm clock that also has a wireless charging port for any phones. So we're gonna do the unboxing right now. Got the instruction manual. It's from Keebly. Packaged pretty good with all the, so you have the alarm clock and digital timer. Comes with the USB cord and also comes with a charging block. Alright, so I have the clock plugged in from the back, simple to plug in. So one of the reasons why we decided to review this digital alarm clock is because one of the guys here at Product Reviews and Challenges has an elderly mother who has mobility issues, so she struggles with plugging in her iPhone. So this one has the wireless charging, which also not only does it work for iPhones, but our Androids here work as well. So it's multifunctional for both iPhones and Androids that have the wireless charging. So we have different buttons. It's pretty simple though. This button helps set the time. Then you can have up to 2 alarms set at the same time. So these 2 buttons are for if you're playing music and you want to go forward or backwards, and also it's for the volume, so volume up, volume down. This button is for the snooze and also for the play pause for music. Then you also have the Bluetooth connection button. Then you have the music button that is for nature sounds, white noise to help you fall asleep. So it automatically starts with that one. Then you can go back to the volume buttons and change to whatever you want to listen to. Then you have the night mode, which you can set the time that you want the music to stop playing, your music or your white noise. And then you have the lamp mode, which shows all the different colors. There are 12 different colors on this alarm clock. And the button next to it shows how bright you can get it. You can get it up to level 20. And there you have it. There is the wireless charging digital alarm clock. If you're interested in buying it, please click the link below. And thank you for watching.